Hello, welcome to my office. In this session, I will show you how to combine taxes in Excel. We mainly have two options. One is AND sum, the other is formula concatenate. First, let me show you how to use AND sum. Equal, we choose city, E2, and state, Kentucky, and postcode, G2. Let's press enter. Here, these three cells are combined together. If we use concatenate, let's go to here, click FX, search concatenate. Go, and here, concatenate. First, we choose Henderson, E2, and text 2, we choose F2, and text 3, we choose G2. Okay, they have the same result. Normally, in our daily usage, both of them have the same functionality. If I try concatenate again, let me show you something different. FX, choose concatenate. We can just press and hold Control, click FX here, and OK. These cells are connected together. This is something AND sum does not have. Now let's make you some example how to use them. In sheet 2, we have A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G. First, we would like to have them like this. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G. How do we do that? We can do like this. We use AND, equal, A, and B, and C, and D, and E, and F, and G. This is the result. If we use concatenate, let's give a shot. Click FX, choose concatenate. We can just press and hold Control. Okay, you see, this is the result. Now let me add two columns here, show you how to do it differently. Insert here. You can just use concatenate, click FX, concatenate, D3, text 2, E2. Now you can just drag it or double click. They are all together. If you have many rows, this is the easiest way to do that. But I would like to do it something different. Let me delete here. AA/BB, CC, DD, EE, FF, GG. How to do that? You can do like this, concatenate, AA, text 2, slash, text 3, BB, and slash, CC, slash, DD, slash, EE, slash, FF, slash, GG. You can do like this. This is one way. You can do another way. Let's enter slash in column E. We can do like this. Click FX. Choose concatenate. We can click and hold Control on keyboard. Like this. This is one way. I will show you another way. Let's delete here. Use concatenate. D3, and text 2 we choose E3, text 3 we choose F2. Okay, let's see the result. This is what you want. If you want to add a space in the middle, what can we do? Go to here, add a space here, and copy them. Click FX, choose concatenate. Text 1 we choose D3, text 2 we choose E3, text 3 we choose F2. Okay, and drag it. Here's the result. Next example, how to connect email address together with a semicolon in the middle. First, let's add a semicolon here. After that, copy them here. We go to FX. Okay. First one, we choose B2. Text 2, we choose C2. Text 3, we choose D1. Okay. Then we drag it. Here's the result. Next one is we already have a name Jim and his birthday is May 26th. How can we create a sentence like Jim birthday is May? Let me show you here. Click FX, concatenate. First one we need to enter is A1 and a text, semicolon, space, birthday is, and then space. Here, use this day. Let's see the result. Here we can see that the date was converted to numbers. That's not what we want. How can we do that? Now we can use text function to convert the date format. Click FX, search text, go. Okay. Go to here, and the format we choose day dash MMM. Okay. You see, this is a date format. So we go back to here, click FX, just change B1 to C1, and click OK again. Here you can see the result. If we would like to change it different, Jim's birthday is 0526. How can I do that? Now we can use the text to convert the date format. Click FX, choose the text. The value is B1. Format is month, day. Okay. Now let's give a shot. Click FX, concatenate. Jim, semicolon, space, birthday, space is space. Use D1. Okay. This is the result. You can also change the format to 2021 0526. You can change it to May 26-2021. I have a separate video to introduce how to use the text function to convert dates to the different formats. Please go and take a watch. That's all for this section. Thank you for watching.